Disinfect and clean any surfaces using the Freedom S. Here's how you do it. Add 200 milliliters of tap water. Unscrew the spray head. For versatile solution, put in 2 spoons of aquama indigo salt. Close the spray head. Shake 4 to 5 times to dissolve the salt. And press start. The bottle will then glow bright blue. The solution will be ready in 3 minutes. Repeat the activation 4 times in a row. For bactericidal solution, add 1 spoonful of aquama salt, or booster, which is a more powerful degreaser. Shake it. And press start. Only 1 activation is required. And that's how you use the Freedom S. For more information or question, consult the help and tutorial section on the Aquama app.